皆さん、こんにちは。インドからスカントです。Hello everyone, I'm Sukanto, your free Japanese language tutor from India. सबको नमस्ते। तो आज हम लोग कुछ नया सीखने वाले हैं। तो नया सीखने वालों में से जो पसंद है आया ये वीडियो, जिन को पसंद आया होगा ये वीडियो, प्लीज़ आखिर तक देखें और अगर अच्छा लगा और अगर आप और सीखना चाहते हो तो ये मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। So today we want to learn Japanese language again with a new phases. So before going to next phase, I would like to ask you that how is your hiragana katakana practice? Have you done this very clearly, or you have missed? So if you missed to remember all the hiragana and katakana, we cannot go proceed. So before going to next, please complete your hiragana and katakana as soon as possible. Otherwise, we cannot go move forward, right? So today we will learn the weekdays, how to say and how to write in kanji the weekdays. Okay, so let's start. 今日は1週間、例えば月曜日、火曜日、水曜日、木曜日、金曜日、土曜日、日曜日、どういうふうに書くなのか分かりやすい方法で、ちょっと覚えやすい方法で今日じゃあ練習しましょう。Let's start. Okay, look at here.Okay, so let me clean all this board. As you can see over there, this all the kanji is written over there. So let me clean the board first. And how to write and how to remember easily. The easy process I'll teach you today. Okay. Okay. So first is getsu. Getsu ka moku getsu. Getsu yobi, kayobi, suyobi, mokuyobi, kinyobi, doyobi, nichiyobi. This is only getsu ka sui moku kin do nichi. But yobi is the common for every days, right? So the commonly first we have to learn the yobi kanji and yobi pronunciation, how to pronounce this, because it is common to all, right? So this is like this. Yobi. This is yobi. Yobi is common to all the kanji. So how it's pronounced like getsu yobi, kayobi, suyobi, mokuyobi, kinyobi, doyobi, nichiyobi, like this. But first you have to learn this kanji only first. First this one. If you learn this one, these are the common to all. Then after you can learn this only. The writing. The stroke of order is different. Stroke of order is there in Japanese language to write down the kanjis. But in this stage you should not follow. I think, as per my opinion, you should not follow the stroke of order right now, because while practicing by stroke of order you may feel difficulties to learn, or you may feel burden to learn Japanese language. So that's why, as per your easy process, as per your convenience, you can practice the kanjis. Otherwise you may feel burden, or you may feel very difficulties to learn Japanese language or the Japanese kanji. So in your easy process, how much you feel like that this way I can write it down. So the first things we have to learn, we have to memorize the kanjis and the Japanese hiragana and katakana. So as per your easy process you can learn. ओके, सो आपको जैसे अच्छा लगे आप लिख सकते हो ऐसे. हाँ, जापानीज लैंग्वेज कांजी रिटन में एक प्रोसेस रहता है, मतलब स्ट्रोक ऑफ ऑर्डर बोला जाता है उसको. लेकिन आपको जैसा अच्छा लगे, मतलब आपको इस तरीके से लिखना अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप उसी तरीके से लिखो. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है ऐसे लिखूंगा तो मुझे याद आ जाएगा. देखो, सबका अपना अपना एक तरीका होता है मेमोराइज करने का. ठीक है, ये ऐसे कर लेता है तो मतलब ये भी ऐसे कर लेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो आप अपने हिसाब से करो और अच्छा करो, जैसे जितना जल्दी आपको याद हो जाए ये क्लियर अच्छा होगा. ठीक है, तो दिस वे वी कैन लर्न weekdays in a kanji. So if I write down in hiragana, okay, so it should be like this. Okay, so side by side I'll write the gets Yobi. Kayobi. So as you can see, this Yobi is common to all. So I'm not reading over here. So this is for all. Moku Yobi. This is Kin Yobi. This is Do Yobi. This is Nichi Yobi. Like this you can practice daily basis. So it will, I think this will be easy to understand for you. So if you like this, so go to my YouTube channel for all this video, because this video I'm going to upload in my YouTube channel. So from there you can learn very easily, and as well as I will upload this video in my Facebook account and in my Instagram account. So if you like from if you watching this video from Facebook और फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम, अगर आप फेसबुक से या फिर इंस्टाग्राम से ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो प्लीज़ आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल विजिट करिए, लाइक सब्सक्राइब करिए, और वहाँ पे आपका रिकमेंडेशन, मतलब आपको कैसा वीडियो चाहिए, कौन सा चीज़ में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए, अपने हिसाब से मैं कोशिश करूँगा सबको तो वो समझाने का. I will try my best to make you practice and make you give the explanation about the recommendation as per your needs. I will make the video. So for this video, thank you so much, and जुड़े रहिएगा, आगे भी मिलते हैं. So どうもありがとうございました。今後もよろしくお願いいたします。नमस्ते.